Hey, what's up guys? Dylan here with Dennis Kirk, and on today's episode we're taking a look at the Shorai lithium powered battery coming up. With spring just around the corner, it's time to start thinking about riding season. And the very first place you guys need to start is your battery. There's nothing fun about going out on that very first joyride of the year and having your battery die. Now you're stuck on the side of the road, or even worse yet, getting ready to go out on that joyride and then your bike doesn't even fire over. Now you're stuck in the house reading your favorite motorcycle magazines and watching episodes of Fix My Hog waiting for your batteries to charge. Ouch. So let's not let that happen this year. Dennis Kirk is here to help you guys make sure that this is the best riding season of your life. Alright, so let's start off by taking a look at some of the pros and cons of this product. The very first thing you guys are going to notice when switching over from a lead acid battery to the lithium ion is the weight reduction. We're talking anywhere between 7 to 10 pounds weight loss here, which is absolutely crazy when you're thinking about the size of this product. And this is going to be a lot smaller than your original lead acid battery. And so it's crazy to think that modern day technology can pack more of a punch inside of such a small little box here. Shorai knew that it was going to be much smaller, so inside their box they actually added little foam pads, quite a few little foam pads in here that are going to be able to be placed around the outside of the box, allowing your battery to stay nice and snug inside of your battery box. Which means that mounting is endless. If you want to mount it this direction, upside down, it doesn't matter. You're not going to be having acid leaking out of this box, dripping down onto your paint job or other things that you don't want acid on. It's a super nice battery. It's also an investment. It is going to cost you a little bit more money than your standard lead acid battery, but you're getting a lot more for your money, so keep that in mind. Speaking of investments, it's something you're going to want to protect. So make sure you're using the proper charger. You don't want to be using a lead acid battery charger on a lithium ion. It's not going to go over well. This is something you're definitely going to want the proper charger for your battery to make sure that you're giving it the proper charge. They are going to hold their charge extremely well as well. These things will actually lose 10% of their battery life a year, as where the standard batteries are going to lose maybe 1% a day. So that is super nice as well. It's going to come with a longer warranty, and these things are going to hold up pretty well. And in the cold, that's going to be one of the only areas it's really going to have kind of a con with. But if you can handle an extra 5 to 10 minutes before your ride, you should be okay. Just go out, turn your light on your vehicle, let the battery kind of get some juices flowing inside of it, and it should crank right up. This thing is actually going to have a lot more cold cranking amps than your standard lead acid battery. So if you are interested in this or any of the other Dennis Kirk products, don't forget we ship the same day you order. So the best part about getting those parts is going out there and testing them. I'm Dylan with Dennis Kirk, and we'll see you guys next time. For more information on the products listed in this video, click on the link in the description area below. Feel free to call us with any questions or place an order at 800-969-7501. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe for all of the latest DK events, videos, and promos.